All right, good morning. This is hunt number 10 for the Michigan Waterfowl season. And we are at the boat launch, got the boat in the water, getting ready to head out, get set up. We got a shooting time of 6:53 this morning. We got a good south wind, and it's supposed to be moving around to the southwest for right around maybe about an hour after shooting time. So we're looking at almost 50 degrees. So we're going to go head out and get set up, and we'll see you at shooting light. All right, we're about 7 minutes away from kicking off hunt number 10 here for the Michigan season. We're all set up. We got a strong south wind. It keeps coming like from the south to the southeast. We're kind of setting up for southwest wind because that's what it was being predicted here. Maybe about an hour or two, it's going to switch over to that direction. We're hoping, but we got a strong wind coming from the south right now. So I don't know. I'm going to say 4 ducks. I think we're going to get 4 ducks today. I'm hearing some quacking behind us. Steve's back in the foliage. They're back there somewhere. What do you think, Steve? How many ducks?
I don't know. 2.
Steve thinks 2 ducks. So, but
We got one sitting behind us on the decoy.
Steve thinks there's one behind us. We got decoys behind us, so they can kind of land coming from the north to the south. We got a little bit of a pocket behind us, and then we also got, so the mallards are behind us with a spinner. We got 2 spinners in front of us with gadwall and divers. So we're going to probably getting passing shots right now, or not actually passing shots, but cross shots. They're going to be flying in front of us instead of probably at us the way we're set up right now. Hopefully, like we said, the wind's going to switch around, coming from the southwest. Like right now, the wind's kind of at the side of my face here, not at my back. So hopefully here about an hour or two, it's going to hit us on the back. So get some front shots. So we're a few minutes away from shooting light. We'll see you then. Right here, Steve, right over top. Right. Yeah. Well, I mean, I only shot once because. Yeah. Link, no, come on. Oh, we didn't get anything. Come on. There's those gusts. Come on, bud. Pick up, Steve. Nice shot. Lake Timber! Lake! Lake! There he goes. Well, he must have been sleeping over there. Is he trying to do?
He walks across the ground.
Good boy, come on. Come on. Good boy, come on. Come on up. Good boy. Hey, Steve, you got a band.
Did I really? Oh, it's sweet!
We got a band.
Oh, sweet!
Look at that. First duck of the morning and it's banded. So we just had a loner Drake mallard come in. He actually went, we got one more party out here, they're right across the way from us. And he actually went in their decoys. I don't know if the guy was sleeping or what, but they didn't shoot. So the duck swung around over to us and came right in. And let me see that, Steve. And it's a banded mallard. So we'll see where that's coming out of here, and we'll let everybody know. So, but it kind of died down after the first 5 minutes. All those ducks got up out of here, and that was the only one we seen after that. So took a couple shots at some wood ducks, and then we also downed a mallard that's off to our left here. We'll have to see if we can go get that later. So, but yeah, nice band. All right. Dog. Wait, Timber. Wait, come here.
Shoot that one. Shoot that one.
No, I don't have any shells in. Dog it. It's right there, see her? God damn it. Like timber! Is that the only one you got? I missed that one. I have no idea what's going on. I figured you were going to do those.
Drinking a mallard. Drinking a hen.
Good boy, Lake. Come on. Lake. Lake. Deborah, look. Lake. Deborah. Lake. 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 Deborah. Deborah. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Oh, yep. Well, we just had a couple big honkers land out in front of us. All right, we're a little over an hour into shooting light, and we've got 3 mallards, 4 including one that we've got to go try to find. But haven't seen much of anything after a group of 4 mallards came in about 40 minutes ago, except for these 2 geese here. So the sun's starting to peek out, and we got still got a strong wind coming from the south. Here, I think about 9 o'clock. Oh, the geese are taking off. And we might swing around this way. Let's see what happens. Yeah, looks like they might swing around this way. Put this down. Those geese just kind of took off behind us, swung around behind us, and just started climbing higher, and then started swinging around to the south. So, anyway, we still got this strong wind coming from the south. Hopefully, in the next hour, it's going to swing to the southwest, which hopefully would be a little bit more at our back. But the ducks we've got have been doing what we want them to do. They're swinging in right behind us and coming in. So that's good. Off to our left. And a little bit cloud behind us, so we'll see what happens. Go ahead and show you the spread. We've got some spinners, a couple spinners here. We've got divers right out here in our front. And we've got some gadwall off to our right. And then we got this channel here in the back, and we got 1 spinner. So we're hoping, the plan was for the ducks to come right down here. This channel here, or to come from our left and land right here, which this is what they've been doing. They've been coming right down in here. So got about 11 dozen out. Alright, so it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we'll give it a few more hours, see what happens. And why this guy is calling it quits. Over there somewhere. Right there. Breaking down his blind. So we just had this single goose come in, but he landed on the middle of the lake. the guy out there picking up. Let's see if he comes a little closer to us. Coming this way. That goose came right on in at the edge of the decoys and we swatted him. Good boy. I think I'm gonna have to get out there and help him. He's probably gonna drag in a couple dozen decoys with him. Lake's first, I think it's his first season. Uh-oh, can he get over this? Good boy. Can you make it up here? Come on. You got it. Come on, Lake. Come on, boy. Can't get his mouth in that. Grab him by the neck. Good boy. Come on. You got it. You got this. You got this. Good boy, Lake. Oh, you made it. Oh, here. Oh, I think. God, look at that.
Man.
Good boy, Lake. You made it all the way up here with that thing. All right, it's going on 11 o'clock, a little after. We haven't seen anything in quite a while. We're going to try to stick out here for a few hours to see if the wind changing would start getting these ducks moving. But that didn't seem to be the issue here. So wind's kind of doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Coming out of the west and the southwest and the south. And so we're going to give it another hour. Right around noon we'll probably start packing up and getting out of here, but so far we still just got the one goose and the 3 mallards, and we still got to go try to find one. We'll do that on our way out. So, but it's just been completely dead. We thought we'd see probably a little bit more action with the high winds today, but not the case. Tomorrow we got winds coming out of the northwest, so hopefully we'll see a little bit more duck movement. All right, we'll stick around for another hour. All right, we're going to call that. It's about 11:45, and we just haven't really seen anything. So we're going to pack up. We're going to go see if we can find the down duck we got this morning. It's about 40 yards down to my left. And then the band was the Drake mallard that was hatched in 2021 and banded in 2022 out of Ontario, Canada. So that was the band information. So all right, we're gonna go ahead and get on out of here, and we'll see everybody back here tomorrow morning, hopefully for a better hunt.
Don't set it down. Give it here. Give it here. Okay, you take it.
All right, we've got the mallard that we downed this morning. Come on, Lake, up. Come on, up. Come on, Lake. No band on that one, huh?
No.
Come on, Lake, up. Lake. Lake, come on, up. Come on. Good boy, up. That was kind of cool.
Oh, a feather where it fell.
Is that where it fell?
Yeah.
Huh. I would have sworn it It's over there a little bit further.
I thought so, right over in that opening right there in the water.
Right here.